Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making this cute little toilet paper tube pipe cleaner polar bear. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Keep watching, you want to make him. So, what you're going to need is a toilet paper tube, stapler or tape, whichever you want, Sharpie or some sort of marker or pen or whatever. Pipe cleaners, I'm going to be using 3, but yeah. Something pointy to like poke a hole in. You could use like a needle, a hole punch, whatever. I'm just going to be using this hook thing because it's real. I can punch a hole with it fairly easy. And a piece of paper. And scissors, which, yeah, are right here. I haven't done for some reason. I forgot to get them out. Because I did. So what you need to do is take your tube and your paper. You kind of line them up. So that they kind of matches. Like, should straight with itself. You can have a little bit extra on either end. But now you gotta figure out where to cut. I'm gonna cut right here. Now I'm gonna try to cut that fairly straight. And let's cut that right all the way down to the other end. If it's not perfect, it doesn't really matter. Then you put your extra somewhere else. And if they're actually almost the same, you could just make another one. Now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to wrap it right up in this. You could cut off the extra and stuff, but I'm just going to wrap it, the whole thing all the way around. Just like this, to use it up. And then I'm going to take this, take the stapler, and put a staple in each end to hold it around there. Like that, and then put it on the other end so it's secure. Like that. Now you have a white tube. Now what you gotta do is you gotta make sure that the staples are in the back. You want to put a little hole right here, and then a little hole like right here, like near the frontish. But you don't actually punch it through. I didn't do that. I was just marking them. You gotta get it all the way through, so it's all the way through. And you can use if you're punching a hole with. I'm just using this thing because I have fairly good control over it, and I can't really stab myself too badly with it. There. You punch a total of 6 holes. Now you gotta do 2 up in the top, but this is the bottom, so this is the top. But you want these ones to be farther apart, like one here and like one here. But you want to base them off the middle one so that it's all like centered and stuff. So I want this one to end up here. So right about here, I'm just gonna mark it, making a little mark on the paper. And this one to be right about here. So I like that. So now I gotta punch them. Push it all the way through. Get it poked all the way through. Punch it through. Yep. So now you have 4 of them done. But the other 2 are gonna be done down the bottom, but they're gonna be like way far back on the sides, even farther back than the top ones were. This one's gonna go like here, and then this one's gonna go like back here. They're not perfectly lined up, it doesn't really matter. And now I'm gonna punch them through. Punch it through, gotta get it lined up and push through. Push. Yep. Now you have 6 holes. Now what you do is take a pipe cleaner, cut it in half. Just take half of it for now. And pick whichever hole you want to start with. I'm going to go with the top ones. And I'm going to pull it through so that some of it sticks through, and then fold it like this. And then twist this around a few times and then stick it down inside the tube just so it's in there. And I'm going to take this end and start to kind of just turn into a little like flat spirally thing. Like nice and tightly, as neatly as you can do it. In case you can't tell, that's an ear. And take the other half of your pipe cleaner, shove it through the other hole, pull it up so some of it sticks out like that, give it a few little twists, and then tuck it down inside the tube so it's hidden. Take this end and start to roll it like you did the other one. There. Now, you're probably wondering what the other hole is for. Take another pipe cleaner, fold it in half, cut it in half. We're going to go with the front holes first. I'm going to stick it in that front hole. Pull it so some sticks up like before. I'm going to pull a little more because I want this part to be shorter. I just do. Give it a few little twists. I could just cut it off. Instead, this is just what I'm doing. Stick that extra down inside. Take this part, roll it up, and then flatten it out. These are going to be his little feet, and then there's going to be legs. But yeah, it's going to look a little silly, but I think it's cute. And stick the other one through. Pull it through fairly far so that it'll be like the other one, a little bit smaller. A couple little twists. Stick this piece down inside, and then roll this up. Gotta roll it as tight as I can. It's a little difficult at times. This way is kind of like little front feet, and then back beard over here. It looks a little weird right now, I know, but here. Fold this last one in half. Cut it in half. This one you want to shove it through the least of all of them so that it ends up the biggest. Because I want it to be the big back legs. And then I'm going to just roll this one. But a little bit looser so make sure it ends up extra big. And it's still fairly tight so it still looks nice. Because, yeah. These are his little feet so far. Stick the other one through. Twist it. Roll it up. And there's his little like feet. And now you just take your Sharpie and you draw his little face, and you could draw a pencil and then draw a Sharpie so it's like not messed up, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Little eye, bear nose, and like that. And you can even go like this and make like lines for his legs like that. That's what I'm going to do because I think it makes it look a little more believable. And then I'm going to draw little things here so it shows that he's kind of like sitting. He kind of looks like he's sitting like a puppy dog, but still it's cute. There. I'll make his eyes bigger. And his nose, and make his mouth a little bigger. There. There's my little polar bear dude. So yeah. I close the check before I draw on something you're not supposed to. So yeah. There he is. If you like cute little things that look kind of silly but they're so cute, give this a thumbs up and comment down below any ideas you have for more toilet paper tube animals that I can make for you. And subscribe. Bye!